NASA just discovered something in deep space that shouldn't exist, and scientists have no clear explanation. A signal, repeating. A structure, too perfect. A mystery, growing darker the closer we look.
Space is not empty. It's not silent, and it's definitely not simple. Every year, telescopes grow stronger, missions go farther, data becomes clearer. But instead of answers, we get more questions. Strange signals, impossible objects, cosmic events that break the laws we thought we understood. Tonight, we're counting down 15 of the most bizarre recent discoveries in space, each one stranger than the last. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might start questioning reality itself.
15. The galaxy with no dark matter. Scientists recently found a galaxy that should not exist because it appears to be missing something essential: dark matter. Dark matter is supposed to hold galaxies together. Without it, stars should simply drift apart. But this galaxy is stable. It's like finding a building with no foundation, still standing perfectly still. So what's holding it together? Either our understanding of gravity is incomplete, or something else is at play, something we haven't discovered yet.
The impossible star that should have exploded. Astronomers spotted a star so massive it defies known limits. According to current theories, stars above a certain size should collapse or explode almost immediately. But this one, it's still there, burning, stable, alive. It's like nature ignored its own rules. And if stars can break the limits we set, what else in the universe can? The giant radio ring in space. Imagine looking into space and finding a perfect circle. That's exactly what scientists discovered. A massive radio wave ring floating in deep space. It's not a galaxy, not a black hole, not anything we've seen before. Even stranger, it doesn't emit visible light, only radio waves. It's like a cosmic fingerprint left behind by something unknown. And we still don't know what created it.
The planet that rains metal. There's a planet where the weather forecast is terrifying. Scientists believe it rains liquid metal, possibly iron. Winds there reach thousands of kilometers per hour, carrying vaporized metal across the atmosphere. Then it cools and falls like rain. Imagine standing under a sky where droplets of molten iron fall from
Question is, how did it get that cold? Because according to physics, it shouldn't. The black hole that's eating light differently.
We know black holes consume everything, even light. But one recently observed black hole is behaving differently. Light around it bends in unusual patterns. Energy emissions don't match expected models. It's like the black hole is glitching, or maybe revealing something deeper about space-time we don't yet understand.
the lonely planet, floating alone. Scientists found a planet with no star, just drifting through space.
cold, dark, isolated. Most planets orbit stars. That's how they form. But this one, it's alone. How does a planet end up like that? Was it ejected from its system, or did it form in isolation? Either way, it's a reminder that space doesn't follow simple rules.
The mysterious fast radio bursts, FRBs. Fast radio bursts are among the most powerful signals in the universe. They last milliseconds, but release more energy than the sun does in days. And now, some of them are repeating, which means they're not one-time events like explosions. Something is generating them again and again and again. We've traced some to distant galaxies, but the exact source, still unknown.
The heartbeat star system. There's a pair of stars that pulse like a heartbeat. As they orbit each other, their shapes distort due to gravity. This creates a rhythmic pattern of light. Bright, dim, bright again. It looks like a heartbeat on a monitor. But here's the strange part. The timing isn't perfectly stable. Something is interfering with their rhythm, and scientists don't yet know what.
The planet that shouldn't exist near its star. A massive gas giant was found orbiting extremely close to its star, so close it should have been destroyed long ago. The heat alone should have stripped its atmosphere, but it's still there, holding on. It's like finding ice inside a volcano. Something is protecting it, or we're missing a piece of the puzzle.
The strange object near the edge of our solar system. There's something moving out there, far beyond Neptune. It doesn't behave like a normal object. Its orbit is unusual. Its motion, unpredictable. Some scientists believe it could point to a hidden planet. Others think it's something else entirely. But whatever it is, it's watching the edge of our solar system in silence.
The signal from a dead star. A dead star shouldn't send signals, but one of them is. Astronomers detected emissions from what appears to be a stellar corpse. No fusion, no energy source, and yet it's active. It's like hearing a voice from something that should be silent forever, and no one knows how it's possible.
The perfect structure in space. And finally, the most bizarre discovery of all. Scientists observed a structure so symmetrical, so precise, it doesn't look natural. It stretches across vast distances, formed in a pattern we can't easily explain. Nature is chaotic, random, messy, but this looks designed. Now, scientists aren't claiming it's artificial, but they are saying this. They don't know how it formed. And when scientists say that, it means we're just scratching the surface of something much bigger.
The universe is not what we thought it was. Every discovery, every anomaly, every unexplained signal pushes us further into the unknown. We built science to understand reality, but what happens when reality stops making sense? Maybe these discoveries are just natural phenomena we haven't figured out yet. Or maybe they're hints, clues, pieces of a much larger puzzle waiting to be solved. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. We are not just exploring space. We are discovering how little we truly understand it. And the deeper we go, if you made it this far, you're already thinking differently. The universe is full of mysteries we can't explain, yet. So if you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. Because this is just the beginning. And trust me, you don't want to miss what comes next.